In the previous video, we learned how to draw realistic hairs easily. If you haven't watched the video, go and watch it. In this video, we will learn how to draw a realistic eye easily. I have already drawn the outline using grid method. If you want a tutorial about how to draw outline using grid method, comment below. Take a sharp charcoal pencil and start with the darkest areas such as skin folds and eye outline as shown in the video. Take a sharp 2H pencil and start shading the base layer with a light pressure. Create the second layer and third layer using a sharp HB and 2B pencil respectively. Darken the outlines to avoid mistakes. Repeat the same process of thick layering using 2H, HB, and 2B sharp pencil while shading around the eye. Use 3B pencil to shade darker areas. Now, take a makeup brush and start blending slowly. You can buy a makeup brush from the local market. Link of all materials in description.
Rejoice 'cause they haven't found you yet. 'Cause everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin.
Take a charcoal pencil and start shading the iris. Leave the areas for highlights as shown. Blend with the makeup brush and create highlights using a kneaded eraser or Tombow Mono 0 eraser. Using a sharp 6B pencil, draw the small hairs as highlights. We are good to go now. I hope this tutorial helped you. In the next video, we will learn about smooth skin shading. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos.